Hey, what's up, guys? Back with another video, and I'm still sick, so sorry about that. But right now, whoops. Alright, so right now across the Northeast, we are having some pretty bad thunderstorms, and some of the Northeast is actually under a tornado watch. We are Maryland, like pretty much where I live, is under a tornado watch right now. So anybody who lives in like Baltimore, Overly, something like that, right now I live somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you where, but yeah, I do live in the circle, but I'm not gonna say where, so you can try and guess, but blah blah blah. But yeah, we are currently under a tornado watch because reasons. Alright, so again we have Tropical Storm Rina, winds around 40 miles an hour. It was upgraded to Tropical Storm earlier this morning. So yeah, again, Rina is now entering like the warmish, colder waters. Earlier it was like in super warm water, so now it's like right around, okay, no, not there, but like right around here, you would say. And models now have shifted a bit. It is expected to make a turn up there, but look, as Ireland, UK, you all are now in the cone of uncertainty. Ah, crap. But yeah, and I'm having technical difficulties with, no, not that one. This, because I have it on full forecast, and normally full forecast goes, yeah, you know. EMC be diving on 3 days. You know, it's not working. But this is what models are showing. Again, this one is in agreement. See, look. It's going to come up here, right around there. So look at that. Boom, it's going to come right around here. Take a turn. Oh, boy. Now, let me just check my paper real quick. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So I'm looking at the track and where the center will be. Oh, never mind, I'm on. Alright. So maybe it's gonna ride it out on the east side, but then as it gets right into the middle of like this square, it'll just kind of go into the middle and swerve like that. Now, this isn't going to be perfectly exact, but it's almost. So just look at it. Coming straight into the center of UK. Let me check. Alright, sweet. Alright, so now I don't need that anymore. Alright. So anybody here, like Ireland, you guys could be getting tropical storm force winds on the coast, and the rest will be tropical depression. But still, I mean, it would have high winds for a depression. So on the scale to becoming a tropical storm, still pretty much no difference. It's a tropical storm basically. So yeah. Hey, buddy. Whoa, whoa. Come on. Alright, be quiet. Sorry, I have my dog with me, and he's very quiet. I'm petting him. Alright, buddy, be quiet. Alright, so... so, again, I'm not going to get distracted. Something catches my eye a bit. Something down here. It's just it's been getting better organized, and it's been forming something. I know it's been forming something. So that's one thing I have to keep an eye out on. I haven't refreshed this in like a half an hour, buddy. But yeah, this is like spinning a bit, and I know it's forming something. And this is actually how Sandy, Irene didn't form there, but that's actually how Katrina formed. And then it turned into a more organized depression. Right around here is where Katrina became a depression. Came up southern Florida, came up, shot right into New Orleans, up into like Biloxi, Mobile, all those common places, I would say. Common quotation marks. Yeah, not. But yeah, so that's something that I have to keep an eye on. And many hurricanes formed like that. So that's one thing I'm going to keep a big eye out on. And there's something right over here, and this is in warm waters, low wind shear. And it's actually forming right above this, and Rina is starting to like get a better loop. And this could become a tropical storm Katrina, but looking like, because everybody remembers Katrina as like just a classic shape hitting there, just having the center of circulation and then having like a bottom part. So pretty much, here, I'll show you. I'll just show you it like right here. It was sort of like something like this. Alright, hold up. So it's sort of something like this. Like just had a bottom part, a really classic shape to it. Alright. So again, that's something to keep an eye out. Rina, and as I'm having technical difficulties with it showing the track. So yeah, everything is not showing its track. I don't know why. So yeah, tropical storm force winds, not too bad of a spread, I guess you could say. So yeah, how much time do we have left? 7 minutes. Alright. Alright. So I guess I'll do a gaming video in a bit. I mean, oh, dude, it's drenching outside. How's raining? Yep. Alright, so everybody put in the comments. If you guys do not know what Gary's mod is, just it has game modes like Death Run, Dark RP, Sandbox. And Sandbox, it sounds babyish, but really it's like it has blood, it has guns, it has cars you can run over people, and it's basically rated M, but I play it sometimes because So it has a whole ton of game modes. So somebody just tell me what you want me to do in Garrett's mod, and yeah, I'll do whatever. So 3 options are Death Run, pretty much. If you guys know Vanos Gaming, yeah, that gives you a bit of a explanation. If you guys know Vanos Gaming as well, for Sandbox, yeah, that gives you different an explanation. Or Prop Hunt. So those are the 3: Death Run, Prop Hunt, and Sandbox. Alright, leave it in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Peace.